Hey guys, dear Mitra, one more time. A very warm welcome, a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? In my previous sessions, I have talked about so many things. Right now, I'm going to talk about the career scope in Salesforce. So let's just start it, guys. Okay. So, are you still getting stuck up with career choices? Where you ever suggested moving ahead with Salesforce career? Where you still confused and wondering what Salesforce is? What is the reason behind Salesforce certification being the most desirable for almost all the Fortune 500 companies? Here you will find the answers. I'm going to give you the answers of all the above questions, and you will get to know why Salesforce career is the best option for you. So at first we need to know what is Salesforce. In my previous session, I have already talked about Salesforce so many times. Right now, I want to listen from you guys. What is Salesforce? Kindly comment below. Okay, so I'm going to give the idea about the Salesforce. It is a particular software as a service that is called SaaS, Cloud Computing Company, that majorly specifies in CRM, Customer Relationship Management. In other it is an integrated CRM platform that aims to provide you work department with a single along with a shared and complete view of every customer. This software further helps in tracking real-time analytics with its vast number of applications. Moreover, it focuses on helping various companies to build customer relations. Also, it is completely customizable for you to cater to the requirements of the businesses in a perfect manner. Furthermore, there are Salesforce certifications for you to be a professional in the same in order to make a Salesforce career. These certifications are the industry recognized standards and not merely qualifications that further verifies that one skilled in a specific field within Salesforce. An interesting fact of the same is that these certifications are also available for both IT as well as non-IT professionals. So, Salesforce as a career. What is the career scope you have in Salesforce? Salesforce certifications are majorly divided into eight types of the basics of the skill set they are catering to. The eight types are: the first one is administrator, the second one is developer, third one is architect, the fourth one is app builders, the fifth one is implementation experts or consultants, marketers, product experts, CPQ specialists. So, like any professional certification, these Salesforce certifications can add value to your career. These certifications aim to provide you with an in-depth understanding and knowledge of the Salesforce platform and further increase your insight towards any of the certifications you choose from the above mentioned list. Okay, so to move forward with courses or further subdivided into a few more categories, which eventually showcase how professional you are in the that field. So now let's move towards our main topic. So, which is the reasons why you should choose Salesforce career above others? While being the world's best CRM software, Salesforce provides many advantages to small as well as large businesses. Two of the main benefits include: first, it would require very few issues while adapting yourself into the Salesforce environment, even if it is not cheap software unlike other software. And second, it has collaborations with all the latest technologies. This includes IoT, Internet of Things, cloud computing, etc. So talking about Salesforce career, you can start your career in Salesforce by taking a training from PCS Global as a Salesforce administrator training or as a Salesforce developer training. Okay, so we are providing the training. So what is the reasons why Salesforce is a good career option? Right now, I'm going to talk about. The first one is high ending potential. The second one is helps you in building up your skill sets. The third one is be a part of inclusive community. The fourth one is access to help of training opportunities. And last but not the least, multiple career routes. Okay, so high earning potential. In monetary terms, when you start your career in Salesforce, provides a major increase in salary as it provides one with good skills related to the Salesforce platform. This is due to the fact that Salesforce is the world's number one best CRM software. So, moreover, 10 lakh watch top notch companies use Salesforce to maintain their customer base. Okay, do you know, guys? This is the reason why Salesforce is great demand currently. Thus, you can get a better salary package than any other professional degree. The second one is helps you in building up your skill set. With the growing demands, every professional requires a time to time upgrade of knowledge and skills to move forward. Similarly, in the case of Salesforce 2, an upgrade of skills is a must of that growing need of the digital world. With the varied courses provided online, you can keep up with the latest skills and upgrade your skill set. Okay. So, moreover, there are many industry experts, who discuss the latest upgrades through the blogs, seminars, learning resources, and conferences. In PCS Global, we are providing training, we are providing free internship classes about Salesforce. So you guys can join that. You can get the proper knowledge. Okay. So in our channel also our technical videos are going on about Salesforce trainings are going on. You can see that videos and you can gain that knowledge about the Salesforce. So be part of an inclusive community. The Salesforce ecosystem is known to be a very welcoming, helpful, as well as collaborative, also known as the Ohana. The Salesforce community involves internal employees, those who work for customers, partners, or ISVs, and freelance Salesforce professionals. Being a part of the Ohana means sharing the same culture that the Salesforce platform builds on while ensuring trust, growth, innovation, and equality in everyday life. Access to help of training opportunities. Salesforce is well known for having one of the most comprehensive training offerings in the technology, which is provided free to. Trailhead is a Salesforce online learning platform, though which growing Salesforce experts can upgrade their skills in their own time at their own place, while also being connected to a vast community of their fellow learners for any advice and any support. Okay. Multiple career routes. The career opportunities in Salesforce, which has been quite a dominant name when it comes to customer relationship management software, have started to multiply fly with exponentially, and it is expected to create more than 3.3 billion jobs by the year 2022, with so many people offering Salesforce developer training courses. Okay, PCS Global are giving the training in Salesforce developer courses also. There are very few barriers to build a career in Salesforce. Even if you are looking to land a technical role like developer or architect, employers don't want to see from where you have acquired Salesforce knowledge. What they really want to see your hands on and particular experience with the platform. To sum up, choosing a Salesforce career will be a better option than anything, because any other profession, because seeing the opportunities that is creating in the market, there is an increasing demand for professionals from this field. Thus it will prove to open a lot of better opportunities for growth in your career, along with providing you with an attractive salary package. Salesforce career will also provide you with consistent growth and maybe more in the coming years. But before everything else, you have to make up your mind about the job role you wish to pursue. Okay, as there are different set of job duties related to each of the certifications, the pay scale also differs. So guys, overall the Salesforce career option is one of the best and effective career options what I have talked right now. And if you are need to begin with your career in Salesforce with Salesforce certification courses, kindly contact with PCS Global. We will provide you the full training about Salesforce. It can be in Salesforce admin part, it can be in Salesforce developers part, and in other job roles of also. So guys, kindly don't waste your time. Kindly communicate with us, get proper information, be a part of PCS Global, scatter the knowledge whatever needed, because in today's job world there are so many vacancies, but we are not informed enough, we are not qualified enough to get that job. So if you're thinking about making your career in Salesforce, if you want to advancement in your career, kindly communicate with us. We are PCS people. We are providing all the details, and we are providing all the informations about Salesforce. Our training sessions are going on in our channels. You can go and visit our channel, and in our YouTube channel, we are providing all information related to each and every technology. So whatever you want to know, kindly go and visit our channel, because without gaining the knowledge, without learning the proper skill set, you can't work in any IT firm. So at first you need to begin properly, and after that, when the career graph will be proper, when the your path will be proper, it will be very easy to find a job in good company. And PCS Global, we are helping you to gain that knowledge. In my channel, I have shared so many inspirational videos. There are so many career journey stories about our candidates who have already worked in PCS Global, who are right now they are working in other CMM level companies, and they are very happy in their life because they made their career in a very good way. So if you are a candidate who don't even know right now what to do, we are here to give you the path. Guys, kindly start crawling, and we will hold you, because we are doing it since last 10 years, and we are going to do it last more than 20 years, 30 years, 50 years. So don't be that person that I am not able to talk, I am not getting the path, because we are here, we are providing our phone numbers, we are providing our contact details, we are in our website, there are so many information. Kindly check it out, get proper knowledge, and in my videos I always provide my personal number. So if you want to connect with me, kindly call in that number and gain that knowledge and be a part of IT industry. So this is for today's session, guys. Bye for now.